Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Bosch Dishwasher upper dish rack rail kit. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack rail kit. The upper dish rack rails are what the upper dish rack rolls in and out on. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the upper dish rack's not rolling in and out properly. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the upper rack out. So you're going to pull it all the way out, and then we're going to lift up on it so the wheels come off the rails. And continue to pull it out so the rear wheels come off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Once you have the rack out of the way, we can reach in and take the end caps off the back of the rails. To get the end cap off, we're just going to grab the top and rotate it towards the center of the dishwasher. Then you can take the bottom half off. Once you have the end cap off, you can pull that and the rail out of the dishwasher. This side comes out the same way. Here's the old upper dish rack rails next to the new upper dish rack rail kit. If you already have this, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the rails in, you want to make sure they're on the right side. The end caps in the front have to be pointing up. The new rails also have the end caps installed on them, so we're going to have to take them off, just like we did when we took the old rails out. So you just need to flex them and rotate it off. Once you have it off, you can put the rail under the rollers. Once you have it past the second roller, you can reach in and put the end cap on. We're just going to snap it in on the bottom and rotate it up. Once you have this side in, we can do the one on the other side. Once you have the end cap on, we can put the dish rack back in. To put it in, all you have to do is line the upper dish rack up on the rails at an angle so that the rear wheels go onto the rails. Once you have the rear ones on, you can drop it down a little bit and push it in. You're going to have to lift up a little bit so it goes onto the front wheel. Once you have both sides in, you can push the rack all the way in. Close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.